Hi, welcome to the Antioch University Santa Barbara Writing Center tutorial on Google Slides. We're going to be talking about how to add text to your Google Slides. We'll cover different font types and sizes, adding bullet points and animating those, and text boxes. First, we'll cover how to add text. So here, if I start a new slide, I can choose to do title and body. This gives me a slide with two text boxes that are already here. When I click in the box, then I get the menu with all my font options. So I might add a title here. I can go ahead and change the size of this font. I can change the font type. Say I like that font. I can change the alignment. I can center align it. I can left align it. So lots of options there. I can also add some text. So I might add a few ideas. If I want to, I can also add bullet points. So to add bullet points, you're going to see the bullet icon here. So I can just add bullet points. Another thing I should mention is you can choose where the text is in your box. You can see in the line area, there's left align, there's also top of the box, center of the box, and bottom of the box as well. So here I'm going to choose at the top. Another thing you can do is add animation to your bullet points if you want them to appear one at a time. So first off, you have to select the box. Here you can see it's highlighted in blue, so I've clicked on that. And then you click Insert, and you go down to where it says Animation. This opens up a menu, and in this case, I'm going to choose by paragraph. And that means each time that I click, the information is going to show up one bullet point at a time. You can see that I've added the animation. When I look over here, I can see these three circles. That's the icon for animation being added. So I can close out of that, and I'll go into present mode and show you what that looks like. So in present mode, we'll see that each time I click, one of those items is going to appear. You might decide that you don't want animation after all, and if that's the case, then you can go and click on that area again, go back to where it says Insert Animation. This will open up where you can see what you have, and you can go ahead and just click on the trash can. And then you might have to do it a few times, but you'll see that the three circles have disappeared, so now I don't have any animation on this slide. Another thing you can do is move your text box around. So here I can see that it's taking up the whole screen, but maybe I want to add an image, so I can slide it over to one side. I can use the crosshairs and click and move it around and locate it anywhere that I want. You can also add text boxes. In this case, I have an image on my slide, but I don't have a text box, and I might want to add one, so I have an image and some text. I'll go ahead and click right here where it says text box, and then that will allow me to draw a text box on my slide. And then once I've drawn that, I can type text in there and do all the same adjustments that I did before. So I might change the font, I might change the size, I might change the color. Another thing that you can do is you can give your text box a background color. So over here we'll see the fill option. You can click in this and choose a fill color. And then afterwards I can adjust the dimensions of my text box. So maybe I only want the fill color to be right around the font. So that's another option. In the same way that you can add a fill color to your text box, a background color, you can add a background color to your whole slides. So I'm going to go to my first slide, and what we'll see right here is it says background. I can click on that, and I can choose the background color. And I can also add it to my theme. So here, let's say I want to choose like a yellow. I can add it to my whole theme, and then click done, and then that will change all of my slides. If you want some inspiration for choosing colors for your slides, a great resource is Canva. They have all these different color combinations. So I'm on Canva's website and I scroll down and maybe I really like this color combination. I might choose the light one to be my background color. You can actually just highlight this hex code and copy that and add it as a custom color to your background. So back over here on my slides where it says background, I'm going to click this drop down arrow and then I'll see where it says custom. Go ahead and click on that and then I can paste in my hex code. Click OK, add to theme. And And now I have a really nice background color for my slides, and it's added it to all of the slides. Thanks for watching this tutorial on adding text. We have some other tutorials, an overview, formatting images, embedding videos, and sharing and presenting, so I hope you'll check those out. Also, please feel free to email us if you'd like to set up a one-on-one appointment. We're open to working with all Antioch students, so go ahead and set up an appointment with us. Thanks.